Good day, sir, madam. My name is Redilyn Grace Rufino. I'm a Filipina, 33 years old. I'm single and the youngest among 8 siblings. I have 1 brother and 6 sisters. I'm a college undergraduate and I took up Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management, and I also completed a training as a caregiver. I describe myself as a hardworking, honest, diligent, and kind. I also have good time management and I can easily adapt new environments. I have 2 years of experience as a caregiver here in the Philippines. And my duties include taking care of an elderly person, assisting in her bathing, administering medication, preparing meals on time, washing and ironing clothes, cleaning the house, and driving her to doctor's appointment. And in my personal life, I also take care of my 2 nieces, who are 4 and 2 years old. I love singing nursery rhyme with them, like, "Oh, MacDonald's had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he has a duck, E-I-E-I-O, and a quack quack here, and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack, oh, MacDonald's had a farm, E-I-E-I-O." And also, I help care of our pets. We have 4 cats and 2 dogs at home. With these experiences, I am confident that if you give me the opportunity to work with you, I will perform my duties faithfully and wholeheartedly until the end of my contract. Thank you so much, sir, madam. I hope to see you soon.